With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, a projectile is fired with speed v naught at t equals to 0 on a planet named increasing gravity. This planet is a strange one in the sense that the acceleration due to gravity increases linearly with time, and the equation of acceleration is given as gt equals to bt. That means the acceleration is dependent on time, and it is directly proportional to the time, linearly increasing with the time. So the equation is given as gt equals to bt, where b is a positive constant increasing gravity. If angle of projection with horizontal is theta, then the time of flight is, so we have to find the time of flight of that particle which is projected in a planet named increasing gravity. So suppose this is a particle which is projected with the velocity, suppose this is horizontal, and particle is projected with velocity v naught, okay, and it completes its projectile motion like this. Now this velocity have two components, one component in x direction, that is v naught cos theta, suppose this angle is theta. So, and one component in y direction, that is v naught sin theta. So this velocity has two components, one is horizontal component, that is v naught cos theta, and one is vertical component, that is v naught sin theta. Now at this point gravity works on this particle in downward direction. Now gravity is given by the formula, given by the equation according to the question, gt equals to bt. So now I can write acceleration as change in velocity upon dt. Okay, now if I write at any time t speed of particle in y direction, if I want to write the speed of particle in y direction, so I can write vy speed of particle at any time t in y direction. This is the speed of particle at any time t in y direction. So there are two speeds in vertical direction, one is v naught sin theta, and acceleration is also acting downward direction, and acceleration is given by gt equals to bt. So I can write dvy upon dt, because acceleration is basically change in velocity with respect to time. So I can write dvy upon dt, that is equals to bt. So from here the value of vy is coming out to be, if I differentiate this equation, so I have bt dt, the value of dvy is bt dt. So that means if I integrate dvy and bt dt, so the value of by in vertically downward, that is coming out to be bt square upon 2. So the total velocity in y direction, I can write the equation here. I rough this equation. Okay, so the equation can be written as, in y direction, vy equals to first velocity in vertical upward direction, that is v naught sin theta, and second velocity is vertically downward, that is bt square by 2. Okay, so this is the total velocity in vy direction. Now I can write vy as dy upon dt, change in distance upon with respect to time. I can write velocity is basically ds upon dt, change in distance with respect to time. So I can write vy as dy upon dt. So from here the value of dy, I can write dy as v naught sin theta minus vt square upon 2 dt. Okay, so from here the value of y equals to, after integrating this, we will have v naught sin theta t minus bt cube upon 6. This is the value of y. This is the basically distance in y direction, that is v naught sin theta t minus bt cube upon 6. Now as you can see that vertical displacement is 0, because the point it starts moving from here and end its motion here. That means vertically displacement is 0. that means vertically displacement is 0. And when vertically displacement is 0, that means this whole value is equals to 0. So I can write V naught sine theta t, that is equals to bt cube upon 6, because this whole equation is equal to 0. So from here the value of V naught sine theta t, that is equals to bt cube upon 6. So from here the value of t is coming out to be V naught sine theta 6 V naught upon sine theta upon b. This is the time of flight, that is equals to t equals to 6 V naught sine theta upon 6. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.